Let us continue the activity. Now let us take the measurement of weight of 10th year students and let us prepare frequency distribution table. Then we can find the measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode. Write the weights 47. The weights are in kgs. So let us write the number only 47, 45, 54, 54, 55, 40, 53, 56, 75, 57, 40, 58, 62, 75, 39, 48, 44, 36, 50, 55. Let us count. There must be 20 weights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 weights are there. Now let us prepare the frequency distribution table by taking the class interval. Here we have to find the minimum and maximum. What is the minimum weight? Here we can find 39 is the minimum and 75 is the maximum. So we have to take the classes between from 39 to 75. So let us start 35 to 40 and 40 to 45, 45 to 50 like this way. So classes. So you take CI class interval, that is in kg. In kg. Then the second column is for tally marks. Then third column is for frequency. So let us start from draw the table as shown in the figure and according to minimum and maximum. Here the minimum is 39 and the maximum is 25. So the first group you take 35 to 40. Here the size of the class is 5. 40 minus 35 is 5. Size of the class is 5. So take the size of the class 5 for each class. Next one is 40 to 45. Then 45 to 50. 50 to 55. 55 to 60. 60 to 65. 65 to 70. 70 to 75. The last group is 75 to 80 because the maximum is 75. It comes in the group 75 to 80. So we have to take 75 to 80. Now first the weight is 47. 47 comes in the group 45 to 50. Draw the tally here. Next 45. 45 comes in the group again in the same group 45 to 50. Next 54. 54 comes in the group 50 to 55. Next 54. Again it comes in the same group, same class. Next 55. 55 comes in the group 55 to 60. Then 40. 40 comes in the group 40 to 45. Then 53. 53 comes in the group 50 to 55. Next 56. 56 comes in the group 55 to 60. Then 75. 75 comes in the group, last class, 75 to 80. Next 57. 57 comes in the group 55 to 60. Then 40. 40 comes in the group 40 to 45. Then 58. 58 comes in the group 55 to 60. 58 comes in the class 55 to 60. Then 62. 62 comes in the class 60 to 65. Comes in the group 60 to 65. Then 75. 75 comes in the group 75 to 80. Then 39. 39 comes in the group 35 to 40. Then 48. 48 comes in the class 45 to 50. 44. 44 comes in the class 40 to 45. Next 36. 36 comes in the group 35 to 40. Then 50. 50 comes in the group 50 to 55. Then 45. 45 comes in the group 45 to 50. Now here 2 tallies are there, therefore the frequency is 2. Here 3, frequency 3. Here 4, frequency 4. Here 4, frequency 4. Here also 4, frequency 4. Then 1, frequency 1. Next, no tallies, take 0, 0. Then the last one 2. Then count 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 20 students are there, 20 weights are there. So you got n equals 20. We got the frequency distribution table. Now let us find the measure of central tendency, mean, median, mode. First let us find the mean. Come to the next page. Write the heading, finding mean weight. Here 2 columns will be there already. To find the mean, we need extra 2 columns. Third column is for the class mark of the class, or that is also called midpoint of the class. Class mark or midpoint, that is denoted by the symbol xi. And next one is the product of fi and xi, that is fi xi. Here ci will be given and frequency will be given. They are in the first and second column. Third column is for xi, which is a symbol of class mark or midpoint of the class. And the next fourth column is fi xi, that is the product of fi and xi. Now let us find the xi of each class. You know the method of finding xi, that is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Sum of the upper limit and lower limit. That sum must be divided by 2. 35 plus 40. 35 plus 40 is 75. 75 by 2. 75 by 2 is 37.5. 75 by 2 is 2 3s are 6. 1 5. 2 7s are 14. 1 is remaining and 2 5 is 10. So 75 by 2 is 37.5. Next 40 plus 45 by 2, that is 85 by 2. 85 by 2 is 42.5. Half of 85 is 42.5. Next 45 plus 50. 45 plus 50 is 95. 95 by 2 is 47.5. Next 50 plus 55. 105. 105 by 2 is 52.5. Next 55 plus 60 is 115. 115 by 2 is 57.5. Next 60 plus 65. 60 plus 65 is 125. 125 by 2 is 62.5. Then 65 to 70. 65 plus 70 is 135. 135 by 2 is 67.5. Then 70 plus 75 is 145. 145 by 2 is 72.5. Next 75 to 80. 75 plus 80 is 155. 155 by 2 is 77.5. Here the size of the class is 5. If you got the first xi, then you can add 5 to each. You know that 37.5 plus 5 is 42.5, plus 5 is 47.5, plus 5 is 52.5, plus 5 is 57.5, plus 5 is 62.5, plus 5 is 67.5, plus 5 is 72.5, plus 5 is 77.5, because the size of each class is 5. If you got the first xi, the next xi can be obtained by adding 5 to the previous one. So to get 42.5, you must add 5 to it. Similarly, to get this 47.5, you must add 5 to 42.5. So only by finding the first xi, the next xi can be obtained by adding the size of the class, width of the class, or otherwise you can find the sum of these two and divide that sum by 2 to get the xi. You can follow two methods, but to find the first one, you must add the upper limit and lower limit, and you must divide that sum by 2. If the size of all the classes are same, then you can add the width of the class or size of the class to the xi what you got to find the next xi. Next fyxi. fyxi is 2 into 37.5. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1 is 5. 1 query. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 75. Next 42.5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 means 5.5 and 1 carry. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Next 4 3s are 12. Then 47.5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry. 7 4s are 28 plus 2, 30. Next 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19. Then 5 4s are 52.5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. Next 4 into 57.5. 5 4s are 20. Then 2 carry, 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. 3 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23. Next 62.5 into 1 is 62.5 only. Then this into this 0. 67.5 into 0 is 0. Then again 72.5 into 0 is 0. You can write 0.0. Then 77.5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. Here you got n. N is nothing but sigma Fi. For formula sigma Fi we have to use. So you write, instead of n you write sigma Fi. Both of them are same. Sigma Fi is nothing but n. That is the number of students or total number of weights here. Next, find sigma Fi xi. Sigma Fi xi is the sum of all Fi xi. Then you write sum of all Fi xi. Now 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Next, 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 2 carry. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 35. You write 35. 3 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So you got 1050. What is the sum? Sigma Fi xi is 1050. Point 0 you can write or you can leave here. Then you write the formula for mean. Mean equals x bar equals sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi equals sigma Fi xi is 1050 by 20. Here 0 0 cancels. Now you divide 105 by 2. 2 5s are 10. Next you take 5 and 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. Put 0 and take point here. 2 5s are 10. So what is the mean weight? That is 52.5 kg. So you write mean weight equals 52.5 kg. Now come to the next page. Let us find the mode. Write finding the mode of the weight. Here you take the column first and second. To find the mode, only 2 columns are enough. Here you find the highest frequency. You know that mode is the most repeated score, means you have to take the highest frequency. Here 4 4 4, 3 4s are there, and all these are the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 4. As the highest frequency is 4, 4 occurs in 3 groups: 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. So 3 modal groups are there. So mode comes in these 3. So you can take any one for the mode. If you take the middle one is for the mode, that is the F1. Then what will be the value of mode here? Here what happens? It becomes F1, then the previous F0 and the next one F2. Then this becomes L, and H is here size of the class, width of the class is 5. Then if you observe the formula, L is 50 plus F1 minus F2 becomes 0, and completely this part becomes 0. So the mode becomes 50 if you take this one mode. And if you take this one mode, then what happens? This becomes F0, this is F1, this is F2. Again F1 minus F2, F1 minus F0, that also becomes 4 minus 4, 0. Then which one you are going to get? You will get L55 only. If you take this class for mode, the answer will be 50. If you take this class for the mode, the answer will be 55. Next, if you take this for the mode, then what happens? Here L becomes 45 plus F1 minus F2 means 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. By 2 F1 means 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 8. Next, 8 minus 3 minus 4 means 7 it becomes. 7 into 5. Again you will get 45. 1 by 1 into 5, which is equals to 5. Again you are going to get 50. Here 2 times you are going to get same answer. If you take this 4, the answer is 45 plus 5, 50. If you take this for the mode, then here again 50 plus 0, you are going to get 50 only. If you take this for mode, then you are going to get 55. 55 plus 0, this is 50 plus 0, this is 45 plus 5, 50. Here if you take this 2, you are going to get the answer 50. If you take this one, you are going to get the answer 55. So here 2 values you are going to get, as there are 3 highest frequencies. So let us take this and this. So let us take the modal classes 50 to 55 by taking this 4 for F1. So you take this is F1, F1, this is F0, this is F2. Then you write the values. The highest frequency is is 4. Then 3 classes are having the frequency 4. So let us take which one? Let us consider the class. Let us consider the modal class. Which class? 50 to 55. 50 to 55. Then you write one by one. F0 or F1 you write. F1 equals 4. Then F0 is also 4. F2 also 4. F0 4. F2 4. And L is the lower limit, that is 50. And H is size of the class, 55 minus 50, which is equals to 5. Then you write the formula for the mode. Mode equals L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Then you write L. L is 50 plus F1 minus F0 is 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 by 2F1 is 2 into 4 minus 4 into 5. Here R are 4. Then you write 50 plus 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 by 8 minus, again here you are going to get 8 into 5, that is 50 into 50 plus 0 you take, because here it is 0. 0 equals 50. Then what is mode? Mode equals 50. Mode equals 50 kg. If you take this third one for the mode, then what is the value of mode? You will get 55. But for if you take this one, naturally you are going to get 50 only. Then you write, if we take the modal class, the next class, which is the next class here, this one. This one let us take. Then what is F1, F2 and F0? This is F1, this is F0, this is F2. So which modal class we have to take for that? 55 to 60. 55 to 60. Then you write F1. F1 is equals to 4. F0 is 4 and F2 is 1. F0 is 4, F2 is 1. Then L is 55 and H is same size, that is 5. Again you write the formula. Mode equals L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. That is L is 55 plus F1 minus F0. Again you got here 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. 2F1 is 2 into 4 minus F0 is 4. F2 is 1 into H is 5. That equals 55 plus 0 by 8 minus 5 into 5 and 55 plus, as here it is 0, it becomes completely 0. So that you got mode equals 55. So you got 2 modes. Therefore, 2 modes are, first one is 50, second one is 55. 50 kg and 55 kg. 50 kg and 55 kg. 2 modes are there here, 50 kg and 55 kg. Now come to the median weight. Come to the next page. Take the next page and write the heading, finding median weight. Median weight. Here 2 columns will be given. These 2 are the columns. One is the column for the class interval and the other is the column for the frequency. It is prepared by us only, frequency distribution table. This frequency distribution table is having 2 columns. To find the median, one more column is required. What is that column? Cumulative frequency, that is denoted as CF. That is the third column to find the median. What is cumulative frequency? Here it adds up the previous class. So for the first one, you must write 2 only, this 2. That is, for 35 to 40, the cumulative frequency is 2. And next, here cumulative frequency means 35 to 45. That cumulative frequency adds this 3. So next what you have to write? 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. The next CF is 5. Next, from 35 to 50. That is 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Next, 35 to 55. That is 9 plus 4, 13. Next, 35 to 60. That is 13 plus 4, 17. Then 35 to 65. That is 17 plus 1, 18. Next, 18 plus 0, 18. Again 18 plus 0, 18. Then last, that is from 35 to 80. So 18 plus 2, which is equals to 20. 20. This last CF must be equals to n. N equals 20. Last CFLs also 20. Now you find n by 2. Where the median falls, that you have to identify. N by 2 is equals to what by what? 20 by 2, because n is 20. That is equals to 10. We got n by 2 is equals to 10. So with the help of this, we have to find the median class. How will you get the median class? Here we have to find the CF which is nearer to 10 and greater than 10. Nearer and greater than 10. That is 13. So 13 is the CF of which class? 50 to 55. So we can write the median class is 50 to 55. Then you write median class is 50 to 55. Then we have to find out CF, F, L and H. F is the frequency of the median class and CF is the cumulative frequency of the previous class and L is the lower limit of the median class. Right here, F is equals to how much? 4. Then CF is equals to, that is the cumulative frequency of the class before the median class. That is CF is 9. Here CF is 9. Next, L. L is the lower limit of the median class. L is 50. Then H is the width of the class, width of the median class. That is same for all. H is same for all here. 55 to 55 minus 50, which is equals to 5. Now you write the formula for the median. Median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. That equals L is 50 plus n by 2, you got 10. Write 10 minus CF. CF is 9 by F. F is 4. 4 into H. H is 5. That equals 50 plus 10 minus 9 is 1 by 4 into 5. which is equals to 50 plus 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is 5, 5 by 4. 1 into 5 by 4, 1 into 5 is 5, 5 by 4. Then you divide 5 by 4. 5 is to be divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 1 is remaining 0. Put point. 4 2s are 8, 2 is remaining, put 0, and 4 5s are 20. So I got 1.25. That is 50 plus 1.25. 50 plus 1 is 51.25. 51.25, that is the median. Median equals 51.25 kg. So I got median 51.25 and mode, two modes 50 and 55, and mean is equals to 52.5. Then you write three measures of central tendency are. Then you write three measures of central tendency. Three measures of central tendency of weight of 10th year students are: first mean, then mode, then median. So then what is mean? Mean is 52.5 kg. 52.5 kg. Then mode. Two modes are there. They are 50 kg and 55 kg. Modes you write 50 kg and 55 kg. Then median. Median is 51.25 kg. 51.25 kgs.